Life is what you make it. Some hold pressure and some can't fake it. Sometimes the close ones be the jealous ones. They set you up and you done. Enemies you don't even know will take from you, then put a bounty on you. They will work for you, then turn enemy on you. Enough said, man. Enough said. No talking. My director name is Nelse Dumas Jr. Favorite genres of movies to make is horror, comedy, thrillers. Yeah, I gotta get you. Hey, when I tell the time, if you there, you win, and if you not, what's that mean? I just been a professional, gotta replace him. Called No Talking. It's a suspenseful movie. It's gangster. If you watch Paid in Full, if you watch Scarface, it's a mix of all of that, but it's original. What inspired me was that I've been trying different genres. Like last year I dropped a movie called No Safe Zone. It was a comedy thriller. I'm like, let me switch it up, because I like, like gangster kind of movies, and we did that. How I went about it was I hadn't put up a status saying, like, if you're really serious and really want to do something big, hit me up. And we did it unscripted. I told him what to do, and that's how that went. Man, it's a lot. It's a lot of crazy. It's twists and it'll get you off the edge, I'm telling you. I wouldn't say I made a mistake. It's just that when I'm writing something, I have so many ideas coming to me. Once I write, I'll be like, damn, should I add that to it? Or should I do it like that? I'm satisfied. I think the people will love it. It was a fun experience. I had fun with everyone. Everyone did great. It was dope. And the video photographer, she killed it. It's fun. Hey, everyone want to know this. You would never know. The Pixel. That Pixel. It's a phone, y'all. It's a phone. You gotta do it from scratch, man. Oh, it's gonna be at Parkway Theater. Y'all gotta come out August 27th. And it's gonna be at Waterworks Luxury Cinema, September 13th. It's going down. If you wanna come, hit me up. You know what I mean? It's going down.
What's going on, know what I'm saying? We on the set of the movie No Talking, know what I'm saying? We ain't saying shit. You already know what it is, know what I'm saying? We out here Benefit Mafia, you know what I'm saying? My nigga SBG on set.
They killed my bro like 20 times. He resurrected like Jesus out this bitch. You know what I'm saying? That's how we doing it, baby.
I come see this shit lit.
Remember, No Talking. Making money, making big moves out here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we need some Vincent. We need some Vincent out here, some Viz. We're gonna have